So this is a table that gives you a list of a lot of statistical tests. The ones that you're going to see most commonly are the one sample Z, one sample T, two sample, so forth and so forth. So I'm going to pull up one of the questions that you might see. Here we have the average student loan debt. They told us what it's reported to be. And a student samples 100 students in their area and finds a mean of their sample. And then they find a standard deviation. And so, like the other problems, you're going to do the preliminary steps. You're going to set up your hypothesis. But right now I want to focus on finding the critical values. So right here, it gives us a hint. It tells us that we're looking for a t-value. One reason we know it's a t-value is because the standard deviation, the 6,000, is found from the sample, not population. So we don't know the standard deviation of the population. So we're going to come here and we're going to have a one sample t-test. And in the problem, it says that they believe the student loan debt in their area is higher. So we're going to do right tail because we think it's higher. The significance level is given in the problem, 5%. So we'll put the 5% here and the rest we'll leave just as it is. And then we're going to put in the population mean for the expected population mean value. The sample mean would be what they collect from their sample, which will go right here. The number of college students will go right here, and the standard deviations will go right here. You'll click calculate the test, and they will tell you the p-value, and then down below the test statistic. And that's what you need to do this problem. I'm going to show you another similar problem and talk you through this one as well in terms of what you would put in the calculator. So for this problem, we have a student. So we have that they surveyed 58 students, and we have a sample mean, a sample standard deviation. And so again, and then we have the population mean. So again, we do not have the population standard deviation. So we go back to our list of tests because we don't know the population standard deviation and it's just one sample. We'll use this one sample t-test. We want to know a freshman student believes that the mean is less. And so because it's less, we'll do the left tail. And then in the problem, it's giving us a 5% significance level. So 5%. We'll put in the sample mean first, then the population mean, the sample size here, and the standard deviation here. And then when you click calculate test, you'll be able to run that test again. Thank you for watching.